Hi there, students. To forfend. Forfend. Okay, to forfend means to prevent, to keep off. Let's see, I think you're probably only going to find this, certainly in British English, in the phrases heaven forfend or God forfend. Forfend. Heaven forbid. Yeah? Heaven forfend that I should fall for a trick like this. God forfend that the tree actually falls on our house. But I think the Americans also use this to mean to protect using precautions, to defend, to prevent, to ward off. Okay, so to forfend, protection, to secure us from. The army is supposed to or the military is supposed to forfend us against any foreign power. You take safety measures to forfend the workers in your company. Yeah, to protect, to preserve, to prevent something bad. Yeah, to protect against something that's unfortunate or something that's unpleasant. To avert, to keep away. Yeah, to protect. Okay, so heaven forfend me. Yeah, from people like this. Okay, so this is something I think you'll find in the Bible or something like that. But to forfend, to keep back, yeah, heaven forfend, God forfend. I think those probably are the two most common phrases you're going to find this forfend used in. I guess health and safety rules are to forfend the workers from accident or to forfend against the possibility of injury while people are working. I guess the crash barriers in the centre of the road are to forfend cars crossing over from one side to the other. But notice this, it's an action that you take to ward something off, to stop something. He wears a cross round his neck to forfend against evil spirits. Yeah, many people carry lucky charms to forfend any evil that might come their way. Yeah, to deflect, to head off, to stave off, to obviate, to stop happening. Yeah, you're making something impossible. Yeah, you nip it in the bud. You stop it from happening before it can actually come to you. Yeah, so you forfend against things. Clearly, it's related to this fend off, to keep away. I take vitamin tablets any morning to forfend ill health, or I go for my morning constitutional, a walk, in order to forfend against health problems. Or as the doctors say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. It forfends problems. Yeah, it keeps them away. It keeps them back. Okay, so now formality. This is a formal word. 7.5 informality. Semi-formal conversation, just about a formal conversation, semi-formal writing or a formal writing. It's well up there in formality. We've got a Middle English word forfenden, to protect, to ward off, to prohibit. It comes from for, before, prior to, and fend, to take care of yourself, to hit, to fight. Yeah, from defendo in Latin. So yeah, God forfend that thou mightest make a mistake in your use of formal English. Yeah, okay, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Forfend.